My name is Melanie Langley and I run Oliver Miles Events. We provide corporate hospitality and bespoke event services to both the corporate and the private client market. I first met Simon in 2018. My then business partner had retired about a year prior to that, and for that year I'd been running the company without anyone to bounce ideas off. Simon was great at filling that gap. He very quickly helped me understand how to set goals and plan for the business, and helped me talk through ideas that I may have had and then focus them into a real plan. We worked together to put together a plan for both 30 days, 90 days and a 5-year goal, so that I knew which direction the business was heading and how we were going to get there. Then of course coronavirus hit, which has been very difficult for anyone within the hospitality industry. And at that time, when the news was first breaking and we were all struggling to work out what was going on, Simon was invaluable. He helped to keep me focused, keep me positive, and to see that there would be a way through for the business. I think without him, I might well have just given in and folded. Throughout, he's helped me by providing information and helped me to interpret the government guidelines and the various schemes that the government have put in place to assist business owners like myself. And he's always been there ready with the information. We've kept talking about the future and building a plan for when we can come back to hitting the ground running and running the business full time again. Without Simon, I know that that wouldn't have happened.